Connie man die, Connie man go bury.
Who please? You don't know where you are going. That shago boy.
Rufous. Have you seen one?
You been see waiting. See person wey be around follow here. So at the coincidence you no wan pick my call.
What's up, my people on a day within the sub? It's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of what I do best, comedy reaction. So guys, thanks for always sticking around. I really appreciate it. So make sure to watch to the very end, because this one will go long, it will be very, very short. You understand? So watch to the very end and tell me your favorite part of the video. You understand? So my people, don't play. Let's go have some fun. Ndubaby.
Who be that?
Madam, come on, Nami.
This is not house, you don't really suffer.
Mazi.
You know that money where you thought say your account no go fit carry. I bring as a man we go help you commot the money.
It sure said this one go fit do this work. Because this morning I want to make him collect 1 million naira. They send me for $1 so that I go send for my pikin cheap weekend when they go school for outside country. I don't want to hear wahala.
Madam, listen to me. Not only as a man will get BS in a few big USD. If the transaction are local, bring and come. Charity begins at home.
But this one when you come back chain full neck, inko.
Madam, trust and obey. There's no other way to impress as a man than to bring the way pay. Madam, bring the come active.
You dey hear him?
No wahala now. If you say you trust him, me with him go walk.
As when I want walk now, make a con go my house.
Come dey go,
Bye bye.
Thank you.
My pikin. You know, say this money where you won't help me receive like this. Now from UATDAE charcoal toothpaste. Because then they do paste for alert promo. That one means say if you buy toothpaste wey worth 3,000 naira, they will give you 5,000 naira cash reward. Uzuba, you know they pass 24 hours. If you come be their major distributor, where they buy them in bulk, they sell for people. Now million you go to see every month. Now that side me I did. Now why my money big? And it they good for who get sensitive teeth. It they improve oral hygiene and good breath. If you can't use them, now so your teeth go they shine well. The good part be say then get children on we get strawberry and grape flavor. If you reach them for Instagram, for TikTok, everywhere, number to call no be problem. Now why then they advise mama, papa, children, youth, make them they use UATDAE charcoal toothpaste because as you they paste your mouth, you go to paste account. As a man, Ngwano, paste me your other.
But I'm here active.
Put on here.
But I'll send them for them.
Oh yeah.
1 million naira. After I paste me your USD account, I'll paste them for you.
No wahala.
As a man go carry 30%, now I don't dey sure.
Choma, I don't run now.
Yeah? The dollar where you save for me not reach 1 million for naira.
Madam, I don't collect my 30%.
As a man, your rate too high, yo.
Madam, listen to me, yo. If better say rate high, that money die for Aza. I rest my case on God.
As a man,
can you imagine?
We are in business now.
my God,
Make I go buy more toothpaste, make more money enter.
she don't even send. She don't even send, Marcel. She knows some money go come. Another money go come. Money now.
Give me my cowboy. It's my cowboy. Give me my tea. You're my wife now. What's all this?
Sisterly, get my back. I will protect you. Just get my back. Woman supporting woman, I there for you. I'm tired. Yes, she's tired. Leave her now. She's my wife.
Which kind of wife is that? What if you need the blame now? You what is worry you? Allow this woman to have peace. I paid her bride price. Okay, we shall see now.
Oh, now me they go carry weapon for. Sisterly, enter here. Get my back. Don't get my back. I carry my own weapon. Only you sabi carry weapon.
Come on, buddy. The girl breast set too. She get big breast too.
Come here, I paid for.
Sisterly, I said my back. I'll protect you.
You don't want to leave my wife alone.
Oh yeah, now.
You don't want to leave my wife alone. Oh, there's nothing to weapon.
Yes.
You think I don't want to have weapon?
My God, not got
You protect me. Now you have betrayed me.
I was only trying to help.
I was only trying to help.
Why Point of correction, that is not Bola. That is Ntanta. Biro cover is too small.
Connie man die, Connie man go bury.
Who please?
Hey.
You don't know where you are going. That shago boy.
Rufous. I been see one.
You been see wetin?
That picture is
See person wey be and follow here. So I dey call you, you no wan pick my call.
Oh Jesus.
I even call your house yesterday. They knock. You no gree open your door because of what? You are avoiding me because of ticket. Now you see woman, you dey misbehave. Oh boy, I bring my tickets for you. My platinum table ticket. Yeah.
Now so
you must go by post.
Take their own tickets.
You go first ask yourself, hunger will hold me. You hold AY, Bobby and basket man. My brother, buy. Collect your ticket. Do it for my OP here.
Cultural culture.
Yes, so cultural culture here. The richest man in Delta State is there. Aboli day. Everybody, first comedian day. Solid star day.
Put your account number.
Yes, so if you never see woman for this Lagos, now know they behave on herself. Person go to do show, and no go buy ticket. Yes. You will be saying if you see OS now, you go pay 5 million. What is 1.5 million? Yeah. You don't go. That's what you do. My brother, carry your table package. As you buy them now, you die. Smile now, smile.
No tell this next time, bro.
No wahala, no go try them. That's what they do. If person never turn industry plant, now know they behave on herself.
Just like that.
SOS.
We're not really saying for
Just like that.
Look, I've said it and I'm going to say it.
You don't know.
Children are not allowed to vote. If you're under 18, go home.
You won't tell me where they burn them now.
Look, Mr. Man, how can you be heartless and wicked like this? You will tell me the future of this young kids.
Don't know why it's going on. They are choosing their future by themselves.
Aladdin, vote, don't mind him. Go and vote. If they're in town, go home. Come on, we go home. Go home. Come, Ishima, help yourself. Ishima.
Governor, don't
Talk to your guy.
Hello, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello. How is the work going? His Excellency, we are doing it now, as you can see.
Hello, sir. Okay, sir. I will do just that, sir. I'm very sorry, sir. Yes, sir. Very sorry.
Help! Sorry, sir. Come and vote, sir.
They want to be described as honorable even when they are horrible. They acquire things which they have not worked for. They promise us things that they know they will never deliver.
Years old man.
Let's see the edit.
Governor IamDike visited a polling unit at Moka local government where he met some malnourished adults who looked like children. These malnourished adults, who were confirmed to be at least 37 years old, electoral personnel, all exercise their human right. Just as expected, the governor, who has the heart of his people, had to feed them by buying them food and drink on the election ground. Governor IamDike is the man for the job.
Malnourished children. Malnourished adults. Look like children.
What brought you here? Baba, I'm not going to lie. Nigeria is becoming too rough. Even small children are turning into something else. Madam, what I know?
Hey, Sabinus.
What I know? Garide. Ha!
Where do you want this one? Who will be this one? Garide. How many cups?
Madam, babe, give me 2 cups of this. She's in a play.
That's my boy.
Madam, why is this boy moving around with a knife now? What is the aim?
He's just playing now.
Ha!
He's just playing. It's not like your younger brother.
He says do what?
He's playing.
So this is classified as play now in Nigeria.
If you don't play with him, he will cry, yo.
Madam, if now this thing will cause cry, let him cry. Because I don't understand the aim of this young boy.
You, they go now, they go.
Sabi, come. I have free jollof rice for you and chicken, eh?
Miracle.
Is it hot?
Very hot. You like it?
Let me feel it. So chilled. Madam, bring spoon, I beg. That was how the whole thing happened. Innocent me. But I give thanks to Almighty God. At least I gave my life to Christ before going to that shop. Hey! If If my father's name come out from your mouth again, intestine with full ground.
Body go
no,
die
teeth will pour. Which kind
angel?
If I go to the woman shop now, need that, I say, God, have mercy upon me. Forgive me all my sins now. That one go carry me enter heaven now. Check your pockets. What is now? I said, check your back pocket.
Rugged PLT retire. No worry, mbombo for you.
Just send me the condom.
I know your matter. You metre kante. No worry.
Oh, Jesus. Damn.
You still got it.
Jesus. Hey. Jesus.
I mean, I have
Anyway, I can just talk to our father, explain myself. I'm sorry. Go this side. What's happening there? Hell. Yes! Now Fufu go come carry me go and fire to one Fufu. Can you move? Oh, with Fufu. Can you move? I respect you a lot. Oh. Respect me back and send me this side now. Move.
Oga, hope say no be that best sleep you open to take pay my money because I don't want you and your friends. You can carry myself come off my shop and I know hear what. Now see how many bottles say I don't drink for my shop. If you don't pay my money for you today, I go show you crazy them my not the hot.
It's okay.
What you want to do?
If you say no say na best sleep where you hop on, I for no fool you come the drink. See how many bottles you don't drink, now who go pay? So this man never even win the sleep. See how many drink wasting they don't order for grand. He no even get plan to even invest.
Madam, bring more bottles. I want high.
Like say you dey crazy. The one I drink for you and I don't pay.
Let him go. Calm down, relax. You go to find the show, bro. Hold there. Ndubaby, Motel. Shut. You don't enter. Abana. You know 2 million.
Okay, babe, before anything, you go first pay my money. My money na 92,500 naira.
The account number here with the amount. Half a.
Okay, she was the winner, babe.
Madam, you don't put them.
Yes, now him be this.
Sent. Oh yeah, no problem. Now tomorrow. Oh yeah, tomorrow you go give me my share.
Oh, 5 years of madness.
Why the delay? Just to watch one day, but you people say you know what I'm not doing. Can't you get the sari outside? You see this one again? Today is his burial. What's the temperature this one? From the look of things, it seems he's very, very active. None of them are Obama.
Hello, sir. Oh, come on. I'm normal. I was drunk. I had a family. I'm the father of 4.
You joking?
Come see, go paramo.
Injecting!
Go paramo.
Max Zuckerberg.
Go paramo. It is very shameful for you to accept that.
Oh my God. You drink
Papa, they say you define me.
No be lie.
So did you
I
need
guess
that?
say you be social media influencer. You dey do skits. You be public figure.
I be public figure.
Good. I want to do advert. I want to advertise my juju. I want make people they come, customer they come, make I popular where, make they know me.
When me I think say for me to be popular, I need to come do juju. Juju follow need influencer. I know wahala now. I go do adverts for you.
But you go pay now.
Like this.
I go post them for Facebook and Instagram and TikTok. I go just collect you 3 million naira.
I get 3 million naira now. I want to advert. Where Juju was that about must give me? Come on for yeah. As they go like that, beg, you get persuade the gate. Tell I make you enter. I want to do money ritual. Next.
Wait. Anytime I shoot my shot.
couple again.
Waiting again. They never break. I don't carry on a call. Waiting with that. Every time problem. No me force una me una enter relationship.
Pastor, thank God you're here.
Waiting with that.
I'm tired of this relationship.
You are tired. What happened again?
He's not giving me attention.
Attention?
Yes.
Young man, be giving her attention now.
Thank you. Talk to him about it.
Attention, where first day? What's the problem? You need money?
This is what I'm talking about. Money is not everything.
Oh my God. I have 5 containers coming out from China.
Can you imagine?
Excuse me, please.
This is what I'm talking about. You're not emotionally available. You're just financially available. This is what I'm talking about.
What's the problem?
See, young man.
Give him 10 million naira.
This is the beginning of wickedness in Nigeria.
Take a miss.
Stop for there.
I just said next week be an appointment. We think Karuna come again.
Next week. See, I don't feel waiting next week. Oh, this guy poverty they suffocate me.
So what's happen again now?
See my head. You say everything. You know, say now my money and they used to take care of myself. To cover this guy's shame, make my friends don't laugh me. Say my boyfriend don't get money, but you know they. If you talk to me,
Jesus, dead man, girl who passed through their life on Nigeria.
I want to break up with you. I mean, I'm.
Why are you here?
I'm not here to complain.
So waiting carry you come.
I just need a shoulder to cry on.
Consider.
Nigeria, they see you.
Nice one. I don't know, sir. That waiting what. See, you know waiting will happen now. You, this man is rich, but you need attention.
Yes.
You say the poverty is disturbing you.
Yes.
You need a rich guy.
More change.
Now swap him, we go do. Because I want to end this thing. So you come here, you go there.
Hey, I don't know Baja. What did you in a hotel?
Baby, where are you going?
Collect it from her. I'm coming.
Kiki, I don't even know your house.
She will direct you.
You are so beautiful.
Thank you. It's fine. Let's be going.
Home?
Yes, home. What is it?
You get like 200, then move use this junction. Then use leg complete the journey.
What?
My house no far from here.
What do you mean?
Don't pray to see. For those who saw, never let us see again.
Counselor! What's happened? That my girl don't leave me now. Now you self leave her. Waiting be your own. You don't work out. Maybe go separate ways. Waiting be this one. They go out. We don't close.
Now they do on self. Now they love for Nigeria. I is love. I don't know.
Thanks guys for watching the very end. I believe you really enjoyed yourself. What's your favorite part of the video? Let's have write in the comment section. And please as well check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel. Check them out. Trust me, you're gonna love them. You understand? So see you in the next one, guys. Peace and love.